Alright, welcome to Michaela's world. Today we're gonna make
unicorn slime.
Wow.
Unicorn slime.
What are you gonna start with?
Glue.
Wow. First one's gonna be glue.
Yeah. We're gonna add blue, and I already made the pink.
Let's see. Whoa, cool.
You can't touch it because you're on video.
Should be good.
Okay, the next ingredient is.
Shaving cream.
Alright, let me see it. Whoa.
That's enough.
That's cool.
No, we're not the blue.
Wait, what's the next ingredient?
Food coloring, and it's blue.
Blue color?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see.
A couple of drops.
Okay, that should be
Ooh,
good.
that should be
Whoa.
mine.
Okay, then you mix it.
Ooh, nice color.
Yeah, I like this color. I love blue. I like
That's
this
the blue one, and
It's
this
kind of
is the
getting a
pink
little-
one.
This is kind of getting a little dark.
Okay, what's the next ingredient?
Glitter glue,
What color is that?
gray,
Silver.
silver.
Oh, silver again?
Yeah. Well, you need to add silver on all of them.
Okay,
That's enough.
that's it?
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit?
That's enough.
You sure?
Yeah, we won't have enough for the other. What is this again?
Okay, the
Baking
next
soda.
one is.
Baking soda.
Okay,
3 pinch, small pinch now.
Oh, I see it.
just put 3 pinches of baking soda, that's it?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. That's amazing. Okay, what's the next one?
Activator, but we didn't have that much
Activator.
activator, so
We're using borax and water.
to make it work.
Okay. You gonna add it in? There you go.
That's so many.
Cool. Alright. So this is the.
Green unicorn slime.
Whoa, we
Can you
got the
see
blue
the other?
one and the pink. Now it's the green one.
It's
Whoa.
your favorite color, right?
Yep. Yep, it is.
I don't know.
Okay, the next one is gonna be a mix
Mix
of
it
the
all
green.
together.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it all together.
Wow, okay. Mix it up now. Let's see what the result will be. What about the green one?
What about the green one?
Put it on top.
Why don't you put it all in the bowl?
Put it all in
There
the
we
bowl.
go.
Now it's a giant slime.
Oh my god.
The green is mixing all.
Oh my god. Whoa.
This is our giant cotton candy slime.
Is it?
Instead of unicorn slime, I like giant cotton candy slime. You see?
Whoa.
So stretchy and so fluffy.
It's like Venom. From
What is the venom?
the Venom from the Marvel movies. Whoa.
Boink.
Put it on your face.
Now!
Bye. Don't forget to
Subscribe.